Ring is finally preparing to launch its complete home security system with an alarm, a keyboard and a series of sensors that monitor a house while sleeping or moving away. The product, called Ring Alarm, was initially announced and was supposed to come out last October. But after a lawsuit, a prolonged delay and a change of brand, Ring says it's almost ready. Sales for the security system begin today, and the product is supposed to start shipping next month. The big point of sale here is the price. The system starts at $199, which is relatively cheap for a home security system. It only comes with a single motion sensor $30 separately and a separate door/window sensor $20 separately, so you'll need to spend more to actually equip your house. But it will still come out much less than the systems of many competitors. Nest, for example, sells a similar system for $399. The Ring system will probably appeal, first of all, to people with a greater inclination when it comes to DIY smart home devices. The system can be installed automatically, and is even designed to operate without a professional monitoring to service. That means that the owners will have to deal with the alerts on their own, but it also means that they will not have to pay a fee.